As Carencro, Louisiana, continues to grow, its neighborhoods are becoming more vibrant and busier. From new housing developments to increased traffic and community activity, homeowners are discovering that outside noise can easily find its way indoors. Whether it's cars passing by, lawnmowers humming, or weekend gatherings nearby, maintaining a peaceful home environment can sometimes be a challenge. Fortunately, there's a modern solution that balances comfort and quiet: soundproof window replacement. Replacing your old windows with high-performance, noise-reducing models can make your home a true retreat, even as Carencro's neighborhoods expand. Here's how soundproof window replacements work, their benefits, and the best options available for homeowners who want tranquility without sacrificing style or energy efficiency. Why noise reduction matters in Carencro homes. Carencro's growing population and new commercial developments mean neighborhoods are livelier than ever. While this progress adds value to the community, it also increases background noise. Over time, constant noise exposure can affect sleep quality, stress levels, and overall comfort. Older windows are one of the biggest culprits in allowing noise to penetrate your home. Thin single-pane glass, worn seals, or outdated frames often provide little sound insulation. Even small gaps around a window can transmit outdoor noise directly into your living spaces. Replacing your windows with soundproof or acoustic-grade options offers an effective, long-term solution, keeping your home quiet and more enjoyable. How soundproof windows work. Soundproof windows are designed to reduce sound transmission, which is measured using a sound transmission class (STC) rating. The higher the STC rating, the more noise the window can block. Several key features make these windows so effective: double or triple panes. Multiple layers of glass create a barrier that absorbs and disperses sound waves. Laminated glass. A special interlayer between glass panes dampens vibrations, further reducing noise. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes adds insulation and minimizes sound travel. Insulated frames. High-quality vinyl or composite frames help block both sound and air leaks. Tight seals and proper installation. Even the best window won't perform well if not installed correctly. Expert sealing ensures maximum soundproofing and energy efficiency. When combined, these technologies create windows that dramatically reduce noise, ideal for homes near busy roads, parks, or developing areas in Carencro. The benefits beyond quiet living. Soundproof window replacements don't just reduce noise, they come with several added benefits that make them an excellent investment for Carencro homeowners. Improved energy efficiency. Most soundproof windows are also energy efficient, reducing drafts and helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This means lower cooling costs during Louisiana's hot summers. Enhanced security. Laminated glass adds strength, making windows more resistant to impacts and break-ins. Increased property value. Noise-reducing and energy-efficient upgrades appeal to future buyers looking for comfort and quality. Better indoor air quality. Modern installations use tight seals that prevent dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants from entering your home. By improving comfort, security, and resale appeal, soundproof windows provide both immediate and long-term value. Best soundproof window options for Carencro neighborhoods. When selecting the right windows for your home, it's important to consider your specific location and lifestyle needs. Laminated double-pane windows. A popular choice for most homeowners, these offer an excellent balance of affordability and sound reduction. The laminated layer between panes absorbs vibrations and dampens exterior noise. Triple-pane windows. Ideal for homeowners near highways or commercial zones, triple-pane windows provide superior noise insulation and energy efficiency. Casement and awning windows. These styles close tightly against the frame, reducing gaps that let in sound or air. They're especially effective when paired with laminated glass. Custom acoustic windows. For maximum quiet, homeowners can opt for specially designed acoustic-grade windows built to meet specific noise reduction goals. A professional installer can help you evaluate your home's exposure to noise and recommend the best window type based on your surroundings and budget. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the most advanced soundproof windows won't perform at their best without expert installation. Local professionals in Carencro understand how the area's climate and construction types affect window performance. They use precision techniques to ensure airtight seals, correct alignment, and long-lasting durability. Professional installation not only maximizes noise reduction but also protects your investment, helping your new windows maintain their performance for years to come. Final thoughts: Carencro's growth brings energy and opportunity to the community, but also a little more noise. Thankfully, homeowners don't have to sacrifice peace and quiet to enjoy modern living. Upgrading to soundproof window replacements can transform your home into a tranquil sanctuary. With advanced glass technology, insulated frames, and expert installation, you can block unwanted noise while improving comfort, efficiency, and value. If you're ready to enjoy quieter, more comfortable living in your Carencro home, consider consulting a trusted local window replacement expert. With the right soundproof solutions, your home will be both peaceful and perfectly suited for the vibrant growth happening all around you.